Introducing the Apple Watch Series 9.
The latest addition to Apple's
Impressive lineup of smartwatches.
In this comparison, we'll explore how the Series 9 stacks up
Against its predecessor, the Apple Watch Series 8. Let's start with the network capabilities. Both the Series 9 and Series 8 offer GSM, SPA, and LTE technology, ensuring reliable connectivity.
wherever you go when it comes to the body.
The dimensions of the Series 9
And Series 8 remain the same, with measurements of 45 by 38 by 10.7 millimeters, 1.77 by 1.50 by 0.42 in.
These sleek and compact designs make it comfortable.
To wear throughout the day. Additionally, both models feature a glass front,
Ceramic sapphire crystal back, and stainless steel frame, giving them a premium and durable build. Moving on to the display, the Series 9 boasts an impressive Retina LTPO OLED screen with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, while the Series 8 offers 1000 nits. Both watches have a sizable 9-inch display and a resolution of 484 x 396 pixels, providing vibrant colors and sharp visuals. Additionally, the Series 9 and Series 8 feature the always-on display, allowing you to check the time and other important information with just a glance. In terms of the platform, the Series 9 runs on watchOS 10, which is upgradable to watchOS 10.6. On the other hand, the Series 8 operates on watchOS 9.0, upgradable to watchOS 10.6. Both watches are equipped with a dual-core CPU and PowerVR GPU, ensuring smooth performance and efficient power management. When it comes to memory, the Series 9 outshines the Series 8 with its 64 GB internal storage. In comparison, the Series 8 offers 32 GB of internal storage and 1 GB of RAM. This extra storage capacity allows you to store more apps, music, and other important data on your watch. To sum it up, the Apple Watch Series 9 brings noticeable improvements compared to its predecessor, the Series 8. With enhanced network capabilities, a stunning display, and increased storage capacity, the Series 9 is a standout choice for tech enthusiasts and fitness enthusiasts alike. Stay connected, stay stylish, and stay ahead with the Apple Watch Series 9.